Lions. Lions are among the largest members of the cat family. Adult males typically weigh between 150 to 250 kilograms, while females are slightly smaller, ranging from 120 to 180 kilograms. The most iconic feature of the lion is the male's thick mane, which varies in color and size, and is often seen as a signal of health and virility. Lions have a muscular, deep-chested body, a short, rounded head, and a tufted tail. Lions were once widespread across Europe, Asia, and Africa, but now their populations are mostly confined to sub-Saharan Africa, with a small, isolated population in the Gir forest of India. They favor savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands, but can also be found in semi-desert and scrubland environments. Lions are unique among big cats for their social structure. They live in prides consisting of related females, their cubs, and a coalition of males. While the females usually do the hunting, often working cooperatively, the males protect the territory from rivals and predators. Lions hunt large herbivores such as wildebeests, zebras, and buffalo, using strategic ambushes. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away, and it serves as a warning to rivals and a rallying call to pride members. Lions rest up to 20 hours a day, conserving energy for hunting and defending their territory. Despite their fearsome reputation, lions are facing serious threats due to habitat fragmentation, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Tigers. Tigers are the largest of all big cats. Adult males can weigh between 180 to 320 kilograms, depending on the subspecies, with the Siberian tiger being the heaviest. They are known for their distinctive orange coat, with black stripes, which helps them blend into tall grasses and forest shadows. Each tiger has a unique stripe pattern. Tigers have powerful limbs, large paws, and muscular builds designed for strength. Historically found throughout much of Asia, from Turkey to the eastern coast of Russia, tigers now occupy only a fraction of their original range. They live in a variety of habitats, including tropical forests, mangroves, grasslands, and boreal forests. Notable subspecies include the Bengal, Siberian, Indochinese, Malayan, South China, and Sumatran tigers. Tigers are solitary and highly territorial. They patrol and mark large territories, which they fiercely defend. They are ambush predators, often stalking prey silently before pouncing with deadly force. Tigers typically hunt deer, wild boar, and other large ungulates. They are also excellent swimmers and will chase prey into water if necessary. They are also known to mimic calls of prey species to lure them in. Sadly, wild tigers are critically endangered due to poaching for their body parts, loss of habitat, and a shrinking gene pool in isolated populations. Jaguars. The jaguar is the largest big cat in the Americas and third largest in the world after tigers and lions. Males typically weigh between 60 to 100 kilograms, but some can exceed 100 kilograms. Jaguars have robust, muscular builds, with a broad head and powerful jaws. Their coat is golden yellow with distinctive rosettes, each with a central spot. Melanistic, also known as black jaguars, also occur and are often referred to as black panthers. Jaguars are primarily found in Central and South America, particularly in the Amazon basin. They inhabit rainforests, wetlands, dry forests, and scrublands. Historically, their range extended into the southern United States, but today they are mostly confined to remote forested areas. Jaguars are solitary and territorial, often using scent markings to define their space. They are ambush predators with a unique killing technique, crushing the skull of their prey with a powerful bite to the brain. Their diet is extremely varied, including capybaras, peccaries, deer, fish, and even caimans. Jaguars are also strong swimmers and often hunt in or near water. The jaguar's name comes from the indigenous word jaguarete, meaning true, fierce beast. Jaguars play an important role in mythology and folklore across Latin America. They are considered keystone species due to their impact on regulating prey populations. Habitat fragmentation and human-wildlife conflict pose major threats to their survival. Leopards. Leopards are highly adaptable, medium to large-sized cats. Adult males typically weigh 50 to 90 kilograms, with females being slightly smaller. Their fur ranges from pale yellow to deep gold, covered in rosettes. Leopards are built for stealth, muscular, with short legs and long bodies, ideal for stalking and climbing. Leopards have the most extensive range of any big cat, found across sub-Saharan Africa and parts of Asia, including India, China, and Southeast Asia. They live in a wide variety of habitats: savannas, forests, mountains, and even semi-deserts. Their adaptability allows them to survive close to human settlements. Leopards are primarily nocturnal and solitary. They rely on stealth and ambush to catch their prey, which includes small to medium-sized mammals and birds. They often carry kills into trees to avoid scavengers like hyenas. Leopards are excellent climbers and swimmers and have a broad, opportunistic diet. Leopards are elusive and extremely intelligent, often adapting quickly to changing environments. They are frequently confused with jaguars, but can be distinguished by their smaller build and open-centered rosettes. Despite their adaptability, many leopard populations are in decline due to habitat loss and persecution. Snow leopards. Snow leopards are slightly smaller than other big cats, weighing between 30 to 55 kilograms. They have thick, smoky gray fur with black rosettes, a long, bushy tail used for balance and warmth, and short, stocky limbs adapted for leaping and navigating rocky terrain. Snow leopards inhabit the mountainous regions of Central and South Asia, including the Himalayas, the Tibetan Plateau, and ranges in Mongolia, Kazakhstan, and Afghanistan. They are found at elevations of 3,000 to 4,500 meters, where few other predators can survive. Snow leopard are solitary and highly elusive. They are crepuscular, most active at dawn and dusk. They hunt blue sheep, ibex, and other mountain ungulates, using the terrain to their advantage. They can leap up to 15 meters in a single bound. Snow leopards are not known to roar, but they can growl, hiss, and make a sound called a chuff. They are often called the ghosts of the mountains due to their secretive nature and excellent camouflage. They play a crucial ecological role in mountain ecosystems. Despite their remote habitat, they are threatened by poaching, habitat loss, and conflicts with herders. Clouded leopards. The clouded leopard is the smallest member of the big cat family. Weighing 11 to 23 kilograms, they have large canine teeth relative to skull size, comparable to saber-toothed cats. Their name comes from the large, cloud-like patterns on their coat. They are found in Southeast Asia, including the Himalayan foothills, southern China, Malaysia, and the islands of Borneo and Sumatra. They live in dense tropical and subtropical forests, often at mid to high elevations. Clouded leopards are highly arboreal and solitary. They are among the best climbers in the cat family and can climb down trees headfirst and hang from branches using their hind legs. They prey on birds, monkeys, and small deer, often ambushing from above. Despite their name, clouded leopards are not closely related to leopards. They're a distinct branch of the feline evolutionary tree. Extremely shy and rarely seen in the wild, they are one of the most mysterious wildcats. Their populations are threatened by deforestation and the illegal wildlife trade. And these were all of the 6 big cats. See you next video with another species.